Why are automakers charging for basic services in their cars? BMW wants to charge $18 a month for heated seats and even more for remote start and dash cam features. At the same time, GM just announced that it will add 50 new digital features and subscription services in its cars by 2026, with plans to build a Netflix-sized subscription service business by 2030. Subscription services are just one way the automaking industry is shifting to a digital focus. With new software and fully connected cars on the horizon, cars are evolving from simply a mode of transportation to full-on computers on wheels. In this video, we're going to explain 1. How car subscription services will work, 2. Other ways automakers are digitally transforming their businesses, 3. How you can jumpstart your business with its own digital transformation, and 4. How to use a fully customizable template we created to get started. If you want to go straight to the template, skip ahead and go there now. Car companies want to boost revenue through post-purchase subscription models and software features that can be patched in remotely. Some of those include remote start capabilities, driver assist features, voice recognition, and of course, the heated seats. The heated seats. The ultimate car feature. Tesla got the microtransaction trend started when it shipped cars with battery packs that had their range limited by software. Owners would have to pay a fee to unlock the full capacity. Now, GM predicts that car customers are willing to spend $135 a month on subscriptions, and that's on top of monthly finance payments. Tesla's driver assist features like lane keeping and auto parking already cost an extra $199 a month. Geez, I might need to start cutting back on some subscriptions. I mean, do I want to watch the new Game of Thrones, or do I want to keep my car seat warm? GM says last year it earned a staggering $2 billion for in-car subscriptions alone. It hopes to grow that to $25 billion by the end of the decade. The big question is whether consumers are willing to fork out the cash for features that should probably just be included in the original price tag. A survey of over 200 prospective car buyers from earlier this year revealed the answer. Only 25% said they'd be willing to pay extra to unlock a vehicle feature. The rest said absolutely not. Of that 25%, the most in-demand upgrades were additional horsepower and safety features like lane assist. The challenge for car companies will be to provide true value with their subscriptions. And unfortunately, heated seats alone might not cut it for long. Automakers will use these new revenue streams to build more vehicles that are electric, connected, and even autonomous. In order to achieve this growth, they'll need to assess the realities of their operations and balance strategic growth with preserving value. As autonomous cars become more commonplace closer to 2030, the demand for in-car entertainment like movies, TV, and even online shopping will grow. I can't wait to shop for a car while driving around town in my car. It'll be like Carception, a car within a car. Companies like Apple are already competing to provide the best in-car infotainment service to automakers. Apple's in talks with Honda and Nissan to implement its next-gen CarPlay OS that will turn your iPhone or iPad into a car dashboard. But automakers will likely want to control the entertainment hub themselves in order to maximize additional revenue streams and define their customer relationships long-term. As long as I could watch the new Game of Thrones show with a heated seat, I'd be happy. For more tools and insights into how major companies are innovating to adapt to the changing tech landscape, check out our How to Innovate video. So how can you transform your business to stay relevant in an increasingly digitized world and unlock new revenue streams? Develop a strategy for digital transformation that's unique to your business and adaptable to changing conditions. Our digital transformation collection, which you can download and customize to use for any industry, provides detailed slides on the top digital transformation tools, such as transformation readiness, transformation mapping, operational needs, implementation, and post-assessment. Transformation readiness is a way to evaluate your level of preparation and the resources at your disposal. It's also useful to set goals so that priorities are established early on. The columns represent individual features of the transformation, while the rows represent the status level of each feature. These features will be different for each company and can be easily customized. To chart more components, simply duplicate the slide. Every new feature in a digital transformation is a mixture of strategic growth and value preservation. This slide provides a method to map this out. New features that are more focused on strategic growth should be placed in the upper left, while features centered around value preservation should be mapped closer to the bottom right. It's important to balance these two ideals during a digital transformation so your company doesn't lose sight of what made it successful in the first place, even as it undergoes change. Wow, that was really deep. I'm gonna write that down. Once you've prepared and mapped out the transformation, it's important to structure your team accordingly. At the bottom, list your goals. Assign a team member or department to each color and adjust each colored circle to represent their level of involvement in the corresponding goal. This provides a visual way to delegate, determine which teams are involved in each task, and assess hiring needs. Now for implementation. This slide shows how features are distributed throughout transformation. As features fail or succeed, they can be removed or added to this map. The features in the inner circle are what enable the goals, or propositions in the outer circle. For a more traditional roadmap, there's also a conventional left-to-right chart. During a digital transformation, it's important to take stock of what components have matured and what still has room for growth. In this example, 4 is the most successful, but these numbers can be changed. A scoring system is a good way to quantify results, and the most important part of that system is how you define your success. Success metrics will be different for every company and may vary between features. For some, success may be revenue growth. For others, it may be reduced operational costs. Score accordingly. To transform your company into a digital powerhouse, download and customize this presentation to save time and hours of work as you map out your digital transformation needs. For more like this, go check out our video on disruptive technology and how you can use innovative solutions to avoid being overtaken by your competitors. Thank you so much for watching.